May the birth of our Lord Jesus Christ give peace and prosperity in everyone, in our campus, and in the whole world.
Merry Christmas, Cebu Tech!
Di natin mapagkakaila. Ang Pasko sa atin ay kakaiba. Ang bawat isa ay nagkakaisa. Salo-salo sa masarap na handa. Ikaw at ako, ang star ng Pasko. Let's feel the Christmas in CTU. Pasko na, CTU Technology. On and on, Merry Christmas to you all. Spread the love and joy to all people. Widen your smile, makes them feel the spirit of Christmas. Technologies, let's build our Christmas tree with laughter and gratitude for everybody. Show forgiveness and generosity in this university. Manito manita tang duha, pero akong gugma akong mahatag sa imuha.
Merry Christmas, crush! Hungiti kog salad, B!
Pasko na, CTU Technology. On and on, Merry Christmas to you all. Spread the love and joy to all people. Widen your smile, makes them feel the spirit of Christmas.
Good thing CTU, no? Shaping the future, tech and knowledge, committed to quality will lead the college with sustainability, tech, and innovation. CTU, a global foundation we all belong.
I found another family in this university. My fellow students, to all the teachers and the faculty members, you are the star in our Christmas tree.